Good morning, student. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study Maths of Class 5th, chapter number 3rd, Factors and Multiples. In this chapter, we will learn the prime and composite numbers. What are prime numbers? Any number greater than 1 which has only two factors. 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. are prime numbers. Now composite numbers. A number which has more than two factors is called composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. are composite number. Now prime factors. Factors of a number which are prime numbers are called its prime factor. Now come to the exercise 3a. Question number 1. Determine whether each of the following is a prime number or a composite number. Numbers are 2, 16, 17, 27, 29 and 31. We have already learned that prime factors has only two factors. Prime number has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, and composite number having more than two factors. Now exercise 3a. Question number 1. First, prime numbers which have only two factors, number 1 and the number itself. So the prime numbers are 2, 17, 29 and 31. Composite number having factors more than 2, which are 16 and 27. Now second question. Write the next 5 prime numbers after 30. So the next 5 prime numbers after 30 are 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. These are the next 5 prime numbers after 30. Now question number 3rd. Find the 2 prime numbers whose sum is an odd number. Now 2 prime numbers are 2 and 5. Now sum of 2 and 5 means 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now 7, which is an odd number. Now next question number 4. Express each of the following number as a product of prime factors. 24. We have to find the product of 24. Now question number 4. First part, 24. We have to find the prime factors of number 24. So 24 can be divided by 2. It will become 2 1 the 2 and 2 2 the 4, again by 2. This becomes 2 6 the 12, again by 2, 2 3 the 6, and again by 3 1 the 3. Now so we can write 24 as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 and into 3. Now second part, 48. So the prime factors of 48 are 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, again by 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 6 the 12, 2 3 the 6 and 3 1 the 3. So we can write 48 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 into 3. Now 2 to the 4, to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 is 48. Now rest of the part you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Complete the following factors. Complete the following factor tree. Now 36 can be written as 2 into 18. Now we can see here, fifth A part, 36. 36 can be written as 2 into 18. Now 2 can be same. Now 18 can be written as 2 into 9. Now 2 will remain same and this will remain same, and 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So this is the factor tree of the number 36. So it will become 2 into 18. Now 2 will remain 2. 18 can be written as 2 into 9. So 2 here will 2 will come, and here 2 will come. Now 9 will be written as 3 into 3. Similarly, B part, 30 can be written as 2 into 15. Now 2 will remain 2, and 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Now question number 6, factors each of the following numbers into prime factor using factor tree method. Now 26, question number 6, first part, 24. We can write 24 as 2 into 12. 2 will remain same, and 12 can be written as 3 into 4. Now 2 will remain 2, 3 will be same. Now 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So this is the factor tree of 24. Similarly, second part, 45. Question number 6, second part, 45. Now 45 can be written as 3 into 15. 3 will remain same. Now 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 3 3 are 9, and 9 5 are 45. Now C part you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question, question number 7. Factorize each of the following number into a prime factors. Number is 125. Question number 7. First part, we have to find the factors of 125. Now 125 can be divided by 5. 125. Now 5 to the 10, and will be 2, and 5 25, and 5 5 the 25. Again by 5, 5 5 the 25, and again by 5, 5 1 the 5. Hence 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. Next part, 216. Divided by 2, it will become 2 1s are 2, 0, and 2 8 is 16. Now again by 2, 2 5s are 10, and 2 4s are 8. Again by 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 7s are 14. By 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So we can write 216 as 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, and 3 also 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. Answer. Now C part, 360. Two ones are 2, 2 8 is 16, and 0. Again by 2, 2 9s are 18, and 0. Again by 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10. by 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15, again by 3, 3 fives are 15, and by 5. So we can write 360 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 is 3 times, 3 is 2 times, and 5 is 1 time. Answer. Now question number 8 and 9 you can do it as a homework.